Joining me to discuss still, Deputy Chief of Investigations for Gwinnett County, Georgia, Curtis Clemens, criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor David Bruno. David, I'll start with you. I got to get your thoughts on this case. I mean, it's mind-boggling to me that this could happen, and I'm not sure where to place the blame. Basically, they went to the police, said she was missing. They said, or told the family, they contacted a shelter. They said she was there and that they didn't necessarily give out information. I understand that part based on protocols. So who's at fault here? The police, should they have followed up, or the shelter, who obviously made a mistake?
I think there's got to be someone looking at this. I mean, Michael, I am equally as surprised as you are. I mean, this is a family who's been looking for their loved one for 6 years. Also, it's reported that the family suspected this individual, this boyfriend person in this one's life. And it was a search warrant that was recently executed on the house that resulted in the arrest. So we have to take a look back and we have to see what mistakes we're making and why. Because the why is really the question that everyone needs to know. I mean, was this incompetence? Was this a mistake? Or was there ill will by somebody at the PD or the sheriff covering up this particular murder? So all those questions should be asked, and we're looking at it, and there's media exposure, and the chief is on it as well. And I hope that there are questions are answered as a result of this story.
This guy is charged with murder, abuse of a corpse, David, and also tampering with evidence. The charges came about a month after they served a warrant for his house. I would imagine with all those charges, again, we heard he was the last person with her or seen with her alive. There must have been something they found in that house that links him to this murder.
Yeah, without a doubt. I mean, forensics, and look, I mean, nowadays, if they get their hands on a cell phone, if they get their hands on a computer, if there's electronics that they're able to take, mirror, examine, and do all their forensic work up on, and he had any involvement and he used any of those things, I mean, look at the tampering with evidence and the abuse of the corpse. To me, that sounds like there's forensics that were available as a result of the search warrant.